Hello everyone and Happy New Year. Today is January 1st, 2023. And I thought I'd bring in the new year by decorating my downstairs for winter. I've already taken down the mantle decor that I had up for Christmas, which was my DIY fern garland. And then here I had my foyer set up a different way, but I want to do something different. And I'm just using stuff that I already have, and I want to bring in the new year using things that I have, but slowly when spring comes in, adding new decor pieces to my home. And then the next video that will be uploaded will be my living room, then my dining room, and then my kitchen. So I just wanted to show you all what it looked like emptied. And I won't be sharing the bathroom because that's going to be a total DIY makeover. There's some things that I have to order. And I'm going to also share with you this in 2020. This was supposed to be, what they call it, not batting board, but wood molding, that fell through. When 2020 came, the man that I had doing this for me, just a lot of different things changed, and I just didn't bother about getting him in to finish it for me. And I was over it and just took all the wood molding down. But I do have plans for this wall, this entire foyer entry. But yeah, wood was all over. So I just went over with paint to get rid of, and you can see this is the time, and it is 2023. But yeah, my plans that I have, I'm not going to share right now. I'm learning each time that I have a plan to do something. Just wait until I get everything that I want and then share it. But I do have plans to redo this, but I'm going to use what I have right now to just decorate it for winter. And my color scheme through the entire downstairs is gray, black, and off-white, or cream, whichever one you want to call it. And then just touches of gold and maybe silver. And so I'm going to go ahead and get started and bring you along with me. Okay, here's my foyer, all done and set for the winter. And I thought I'd put a pop of color in here. I love the royal blue up against the black and the white on those pillows, the black, white, gray, and a little touch of gold. That's why I put those vases there. And if you're new to my channel and you did not see how I took, those were lamps, and I did what they call the dipping. I'll put the name of it across the screen. And hydro dipping, that's what it is, hydro dipping. I'll put the video link I'll put the link to that video in my description box below. I'm out of breath because I just vacuumed that little piece, that little area there. But I love the way it turned out. And then also these pictures, if you're new to my channel, these are DIYs. Basically, they used to be Marilyn Monroe pictures, and I just did that little painting over it. I'll put the link to that video in my description box. And then I decided to put this sign over here by the entrance. This is something that I love to see when I first walk in the door. And this is a Christmas gift from my daughter's Christmas of 2021. It was last Christmas, because again, today is January 1st, 2023. So this is what you see when you come in. And then I'm going to go to the other end because my living room and everything is a mess, and I don't want you to see that. That'll be the next video upload of how I decorate that and set it up for winter. So let me turn it around. And here's where I put my daughter's pictures. And there's the table. So I'm standing in the living room. And this is the other angle. And that's the door out there. I'm going to stand in the bathroom so you can get a and I love the way it turned out. Also, that my front door is a DIY. That's contact paper, and I put it up there so I can see if I would like to paint it in black or if I prefer white. I'm liking the black, so that'll probably come down this spring and I'll paint it, and I might end up changing just the knobs out or spray painting the knobs of black. We'll see. So this here, my arch, that is also contact paper. I never showed that. But I just love the touch of the black door. So I'll be painting that, and I'll leave the link to that video in my description box as well. But I just love, oh, hold on. I just love how everything turned out here in my foyer. Just by decorating for winter, and looking at these blue chairs just makes me want to get some crushed velvet royal blue curtains to just kind of go on the side of these gray ones. I might consider that, depending on how long I keep these chairs in the foyer. And I have enough room to put those little chairs because there's enough walking space. I wasn't sure, but it works. Well, I hope you all enjoyed how I set my entryway, my foyer up for winter, using everything that I have, nothing new purchased, just shopped my home and just took this opportunity to just decorate my space with things that I already have on hand. So if you enjoyed watching this video, and if this is your first time and you liked what you saw here, please give it a thumbs up. Also, watch the other videos that I've created. I'm really a DIYer, but I love decorating as well. I do some thrift and Goodwill hauls, and I would just love to read your comments on the styling of my foyer entryway for winter. And I want to thank you all for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So until next time, make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.